I've got a shot. Permission to take it, said the roof-perched sniper. I'm making headway here, decreed the negotiator. He wanted to desperately use this one last chance. He skillfully matched the activist's stance. I'm trying to help your cause, but you have to help me understand. The Ajari activist smiled. This is the only way for humans to understand. As thunder cracked the sky, the rain began to work in reverse. The burning structure began to obey the laws of Ajari scientific verse. Bricks, metals, mortar tunneled up. The purple clouds guzzled everything up. A crater was left where the boutique once stood. All 15 shots were heard around the world, but none hit the activist. All bullets and weapons were swallowed up by the rain. The activist's actions are still spoken about to this very day. Her decree that if Ajari pleas for equality and dignity were not heard and obeyed, a rain would fall on the city's economy and wealth, and its queen would be left dismayed. Decades after the activist was jailed, upon her freedom, the political leader of her people she became. Life didn't fully return to business as usual. Leaders and officials were perpetually worried. If they upset the Ajari, they might bring an end to all they've built with scarlet and sapphire rain. The Ajari community only hoped that if used, the ritual would bring equality and balance to the earth for human and Ajari once again.